How to buy and sell stocks for beginner on Robinhood. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video, I'm going to show you how you can buy and sell stocks for beginner. So in order to buy and sell stocks for beginner, all you need to do is first of all, make sure that you have a Robinhood account and then log in into your account. Once you're logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page where you'll be able to find the interface something like this. Here, go ahead and select the profile icon located in the bottom right hand side corner. Over here, you'll be able to find multiple options or categories such as stocks, EFTs, options, or crypto. So select it accordingly, and then you need to look for the asset that you wish to buy or sell. So you need to go ahead and select the one that you wish to buy. So in order to buy and sell stocks for beginner, you need to make sure that your account is verified. Unless and until if your account is not verified, you won't be able to trade on Robinhood. Along with that, you must have already added funds in order to pay for it. Now then, to begin with the buy and sell process, go ahead and select the trade icon located right at the bottom. Next page, it's going to ask you to select whether you want to buy or sell or put or call. And as soon as you're done selecting the option, by default it's going to ask you to enter the exact amount that you wish to buy or sell. So type in the one, and the next, and under it you need to select the asset that you wish to buy. After that, you need to go ahead and enter in the payment source. Once you're done entering the payment source, you need to confirm by entering the PIN. And now you need to go ahead and confirm your orders. So go through the review order process. If you're sure about it, then click the submit button. And as soon as you do that, you'll be notified that you've successfully bought or sold stocks on Robinhood. And within a couple of days later, your funds will be added. So that's basically how you can buy and sell stocks for beginner. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.